Now the next video lecture, substitute for chlorofluorocarbon CFC refrigerant. The most commonly used halocarbon or organic refrigerants are the chlorofluoro derivative of methane and ethane. The fully halogenated refrigerant with chlorine atom in their molecule are referred to as a chlorofluorocarbon CFC refrigerants. The refrigerants such as R11, R12, R13, R113, R114, etc. are the example for the chlorofluorocarbon. Now the refrigerant which contains hydrogen atom in their molecule along with chlorine and fluorine atoms are referred to as hydrochlorofluorocarbon HCFC refrigerant. The refrigerants such as R22, R13 and are the HCFC hydrochlorofluorocarbon refrigerants. The refrigerant which contains no chlorine atom in their molecule and are referred to molecules are referred to as a hydrofluorocarbon HFC refrigerant. The refrigerants such as R134A, R152A are the carbon refrigerant. The refrigerant which contains no chlorine and fluorine atoms in their molecule are referred to as a hydrocarbon refrigerant. The refrigerants such as R290, R600 are the HC hydrocarbon refrigerants. It may be noted that fluorine atom in the molecule of the refrigerant makes them psychologically more favorable. The chlorine atom in the molecules of the refrigerant is considered to be responsible for the depleting of ozone layer. Chlorine की वजह से ozone layer deplete करता है in the upper atmosphere, which allows harmful ultraviolet rays from the sphere and reaches the earth such earth surface, causing skin cancer. The chlorofluorocarbon CFC refrigerant have been linked to depletion of the ozone layer. They have varying degree of ozone depleting potential. In addition to the ozone depleting effect on the environment, the halocarbon refrigerant have a global warming effect which may cause serious changes in the environment. According to the international agreement Montreal Protocol, the use of halocarbon CFC ODP ozone depleting layer such as commonly used refrigerant R11, 12, R133, R144, 114 and R502 have been phased out. ये सब हटा दिए गए हैं. The refrigerant R22 such as the refrigerant R22 which is a hydrochlorofluorocarbon HCFC refrigerant is not covered under the original Montreal Protocol, as ODP is 1/20th of R12 and R11, but because of the GWP it has to be phased out. Nevertheless, R22 is found to be greater use than these employed not only on its existing R22 application but also as a substitute for R11. The hydrocarbon and hydrofluorocarbon HFC refrigerant provide an alternative as a fully halogenated CFC refrigerant, since they contain no chlorine since they contain no chlorine atom at all. Therefore they have zero ODP. Even hydrochlorofluorocarbon refrigerant which contains some chlorine atom but in association with hydrogen atom have much reduced ODP. However, the hydrofluorocarbon, because of their hydrogen flammable, the degree of flammability depend upon the number of hydrogen atom in the molecule. The pure hydrocarbon are of course highly flammable. हाइड्रोकार्बन जो होंगे प्योर हाइड्रोकार्बन, दे आर हाईली फ्लेमेबल, बहुत फ्लेमेबल होते हैं. एट प्रेजेंट फॉलोइंग सब्स्टिट्यूट आर अवेलेबल. द HCFC रेफ्रिजरेंट that is R123, that formula CF3CHCl2 is in place of R11, CCl2F in place of R11. The HFC refrigerant R134A, that formula CF3CH2F and R152A CH3CHF2 in place of R12. R12 की जगह पर इनको यूज़ किया जाता है. The HFC refrigerant R143A CH3CF3 and R125 CHF2CF3 in place of R502, a mixture of R22 and R115. 502 is your isotropic mixture, isotropic refrigerant, that is the mixture of the two refrigerants R22 and R115. The hydrocarbon refrigerant propane, that is hydrocarbon, purely hydrocarbon, R290 C3H8 and isobutane, that is R600A C4H10 may be also used in place of R12. So the content is that in place of chlorofluorocarbon CFC, which is ozone depleting as well as green, that is also ODP and your ozone depleting and also GWP, greenhouse potential, greenhouse damaging potential is there. So in place of that we use nowadays HFC, that is R134A, R152A, that are HFC. In this refrigerant there is no carbon atom, so chlorine atom. So when chlorine atom is not there, so it will help in depleting the ODP, ozone depleting potential will be very less. Because of the chlorine only the ozone depleting potential is found out, while GWP is very high, no doubt GWP is there, but 134A has got ozone depleting almost zero and GWP of course there. So but even then we use this R134A and R134A and 152A in abundance. We use this because of the ozone depleting potential is almost zero. So it is preferred than your R13, R113 or 114, that is chlorofluorocarbon. R22 is used nowadays, though it is HCFC, that is hydrochlorofluorocarbon, but it contains chlorine, and that helps in depleting the ozone layer. That's all.